So as you can see, oh, my buns are hella lopsided, but as you can see, I'm in my new apartment. It's hella echoey because I don't have like a ton of furniture yet, but I just wanted to come and talk to you guys for like a quick second before I actually like get into the empty apartment tour, because like my apartment isn't like empty really anymore. But yeah, so the apartment that I was originally gonna move into, like, it was the biggest mess, y'all. Like, literally, that apartment, they told me it was gonna be ready. It wasn't ready. I had signed the lease and everything, and that building left me homeless for like a couple of days. Keep telling me like, oh, it's gonna be ready, it's gonna be ready. Well, not even telling me, like, they're not even communicating with me. They're like communicating with my realtor. Like, it got so bad I had to get my lawyer involved. Like, it was just a mess, y'all. It was bad. But I found a new apartment and I'm in a new space, and it's way better than the apartment that I was gonna choose. So if you keep watching, you'll see my apartment tour, and it's gonna be like my empty apartment tour. It's gonna be very vlog style because I didn't want it to be like super formal or anything. But yeah, just keep watching and you'll actually see some things that I bought and for the apartment and stuff too. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm about to give you a empty apartment tour because I literally just got my keys. I have like some stuff on this Bella cart, like my mattress, vacuum, and like my little stool that I do my makeup on. That's what I had in my car. So let's just start. This is the entryway, and then as soon as you walk in, you come right into the kitchen. This fridge is so cool. Oh my goodness. I didn't have like an ice maker at my old place, but this is the fridge. Super empty. It's crazy. What is this? I have no idea what this is for. Okay, and then I have like regular microwave, regular stove, whatever. Tons of storage, which is awesome, even though I don't have that much stuff. There's an island with even more storage. Y'all have no idea how excited I am to have this island. Like, this is just beautiful. Then I have my living room and my balcony. And then there's my bedroom. So it's like super obviously empty. There's no door because technically this is like a studio. It's supposed to be like loft style. So it's like the unfinished ceilings and stuff. And then you walk into my closet. Is there a light in here? Yeah. You walk into my closet and the washer and dryer is right here, front facing. How convenient is that to have the washer and dryer in your closet? Like, whoever thought of that was super clutch. So yeah guys, this is my empty apartment tour. So crazy. Y'all have no idea how happy I am. Like, I just feel so blessed and so happy, and can't wait to like official. Oh, I didn't show you guys the bathroom. This is the bathroom. It's me looking crazy. Lots of storage in here too, which is really nice. It's a regular tub and shower head. I think I'm gonna switch that shower head out to the shower head I had in my old place. I don't like the grout that they used in here because it looks dirty, but whatever. I'm the first person to live in this apartment too, so no one has lived in this unit before. So this is awesome. Brand new building. I love this sink. This is so cute with the black. Looks so good. I'm a hot mess. My place is a mess, but I'm like, first of all, I'm out of breath. But I bought all this stuff like upstairs by myself, all that stuff. So I went grocery shopping and I did some like house shopping. So I'm like, I might as well just show y'all what I got. And I'm gonna start with this trash can. I'm obsessed. It's the Simply Human trash can. And you do it like this, like you wave your hand over it and then it opens. So there's like no foot pedal or anything like that, which I thought was pretty cool. And then we can move on to home goods. I bought like these some clear containers. I have some already and I love them so much. They keep everything super organized and you can just see where everything is. I love that. So got that. I have another clear container. I'm gonna put all this stuff in the dishwasher. I got some king size pillows, so I got some king size pillowcases. And then, what is this? This is like some towels for the stove. And then, what is this? Tommy Hilfiger bath mats. This was such a good deal. This was $16 for 2 mats. And then I also got these cups, and these were, I think, $10, and for the same amount of cups at Target, it was $10, so I'm gonna take the Target ones back. And then over here, what's new? I got this thing. I already had one of these previously, but I always get a new one every time I move. I be feeling like it's dirty. New pillows, more pillows. Let me take this off here. More pillows. What else did I get? This is all stuff from my old apartment. I got some vegan chips. I'm not vegan, but I like vegan things. So I got some vegan chips. I got some Perrier, favorite kind of water. I got some soy sauce because I'm gonna make some cauliflower fried rice. What else did I get? Oh, I got some jerk sauce, and I bought it because I already have jerk sauce, but it's the really hot one, and I can never find mild in Miami, so I found it, and I bought two. Boom. And then what else did I get from Target? Oh, I got this Room Essentials cheap whatever set because it was $10, and I don't need no fancy forks and knives. I'm good. Some bread for like my vegan, my veggie dog, not vegan. I got this from Marshalls. Let me see. I got this black paper towel holder. It's so cute. I got it because this is black, and I'm like, well, I might as well keep the black theme going on. The black theme, I think is that. I got this from Marshalls, these shower hooks. This plain white shower curtain. And I got a candle that's gonna go in my bathroom. I don't know what's commercial for bathroom stuff actually. It says Namaste, and it smells like jasmine and chai, and it smells so good. I wish there was like smell cam. Y'all can smell it. Back to Target. I got some cleaning spray just because, yeah, I want to clean. Before I get like all my stuff in. I got this Room Essentials shower curtain liner. It's $2.99, super cheap. Got some Fabuloso, can't go wrong with Fabuloso. Some Scotch pads and my favorite room scent, which is, what is this one called? What is this one called? I forgot. Fresh Linen. That's literally like one of my favorite scents, Fresh Linen. And then I also got like these because I know I just said I was gonna make some cauliflower fried rice, but not tonight because I'm tired as hell, so I'm gonna eat some of this yakisoba. I got some coconut water, more yakisoba and coconut water. And then I got these chickpea pasta things. I think I saw Raven Elite eating these, and I really wanted to try to find some, you know, some good alternative pastas. Got some carrots. I got some mustard. What else did I get? Fresh garlic. What is wet in here? It's got some fresh garlic. Spinach. Asparagus. Some shallots or green onions. Regular onion. Some broccoli. And some Brussels sprouts. And that's pretty much all that I bought today. I didn't spend like a ton of money. Got my pillows, I showed y'all that. Oh, and I bought a broom. I didn't have a broom before, y'all. I just tripped. But now I have a broom. Also, if you're looking for a cheap vacuum, this one was $34 at Target. It's not brand new, but I did just get it recently, and I used that box to put stuff in. But this one is super, super good. It's by Black & Decker, and it was only $34, I think. So if you're looking for a good vacuum, that's a good one. A good beginner vacuum. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna close this out. Thank you guys so much for watching my apartment tour. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have had any like moving horror stories too. Like this apartment, that old apartment literally left me homeless, y'all. I was sleeping on my friend's floor, for real. I was homeless for real. But yeah, let me know if you guys have had any horror stories like that. And lesson learned, if a building tells you it's gonna be open and it's gonna be ready, Don't believe them. Don't sign your lease until that shit is open. All right? Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.